You are balancing in the rain.
I'm balancing for my dad.
Who's this little one? Hey. Whoa! What do you think? It was a pretty big slippity. Are you alright?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I give up. Why?
You want to climb down or are you going to keep going?
I'm going to climb.
Because it sure is slippity.
I'm going to climb down. Mom, what's that? Somebody drawing heart and C and A.
What do you think that means?
I don't know.
California?
California. That's a big word.
Uh-huh. Is that where we're from?
How about it says, how about it says hi?
Hi.
What's, what is that one?
CA, California?
C-A? No, California is a giant word.
It is. But CA, it stands for. Means it's short. It's an abbreviation.